In this video, we'll guide you through viewing and managing your schedules effortlessly. To view your schedules, you have two options. You can either check your upcoming schedules right from the dashboard or navigate to the Timetable menu for a more detailed view. Here, you'll find all your upcoming, completed, and canceled sessions. You can filter sessions based on date, today, tomorrow, or a custom date range. On the right-hand side, you'll see the details of each session. You can edit or cancel a session if needed. For public sessions, you can share the session link via WhatsApp, email, or Facebook. You can also copy the session link and send it to anyone. Once a session is due, the Start button will be enabled. Click on it to start the session. After the session is completed, you can download the session report from the Completed tab. You can also view all your schedules in a calendar view. Use the monthly, weekly, and daily filters to navigate. And there you have it. Managing your schedules on Roombr is that simple.
Roombr.